Now, this is really huge. We get this in a lot of homes, not just move-in, move-outs, not just home showings, but we get this in a lot of homes that we go into. The smell will knock you out. And it can be from a litter box. It can be from protein throw up from an animal. It can be from urine that has been left behind or they've marked their territory. And so there are a lot of different things that you can use in order to remove those smells or neutralize them. In the professional cleaning industry, one of the products that we use is this product right here. And this is a biostain and odor remover, and it's made by OdoBan. And this is a professional series product. And I have linked everything below so that you guys can take a look at this. We buy this in the gallon container, and you can buy it in a ready-to-use container, which is just a spray. When you spray it, it neutralizes, because it has organic enzymes in it, it neutralizes the protein that comes from the diets of your pets. So if your pet smells bad, it's possible that they have too much protein in their diet. So like if they're puking or if they leave urine on the carpet or the furniture, it's because they have too much protein in their diet. It can also give them bad breath. And so by spraying this on the furniture, this treats that, and then it prevents the need for them to mark their territory again because they recognize that smell. So again, it's natural, recurring enzyme eaters that will eat up those odors. So that's one of the products that we've used for years. And one of the things that I wanted to show you is that we have inside this, we use it from the gallon. This is a 1 ounce pump, and you'll see that it just right here will hold 1 ounce. And so when you're mixing up your chemicals, you don't need a lot. This one is not one that's diluted. This is a ready to use product, but we do use spray bottles like this. So if you're going to take that and you're going to put that inside a bottle like this, one of the things that I recommend is that you make sure that you label your bottle. This is an OSHA label, and I want to show you these really quick. These just come in a roll. I've linked to these as well below, because this is a clear product. And if it's in just a jug, you're never going to know what it is. People don't know if it's bleach. They don't know if it's a deodorizer. They don't know if it's an enzyme cleaner or whatever. Okay. So I want to make sure that you're always, always, always labeling your bottles. And that will keep anyone in your house from misusing chemicals. So anytime we use chemicals, and we're going to use a lot of chemicals in the odor removal process, we want to make sure that we follow all of the OSHA regulations. Let me see if I can get up here close. This allows you to write the name of the product up here, and then any of the hazards that go along with it, and then what personal protective equipment you need to use with this product. And so this allows you on every product that you use, that you put inside a spray bottle, that you've labeled it properly, so that the next person that comes through, whether it's in your home, it's you, it's a professional cleaner, if there's anyone else that might use the spray, that you're protected from that. I like this bottle. I want to highlight this real quick. I get asked this question a lot. What bottle do you use? And I like this particular bottle. This is a ZEP bottle, but this allows you to spray sideways. You can spray upside down, depending on where you are, like in a shower. If you need to get underneath something, this lets you spray at any angle. So I like this for this reason. I also like this bottle for the reason that if you use bleach, bleach does not spray through all containers because it can crystallize and it will get locked up in the process. This allows you to spray inside the container. So I do like that spray bottle for that reason. Clean does not have a smell. And so like Erin said a few minutes ago, when they go inside a home and they're hoping for a pleasant smell, pleasant is different to every person. That's a subjective thing. Like what might smell good to me might smell totally gross to someone else. How do you know if the person that's coming through your home likes the way that you have your house smelling? But if it doesn't smell like anything and it's just a neutral, non-smelling house, at least they can just come in and it's not part of the conversation.